The brand sent me this smart lock for review, and it's one of those things that just feels so futuristic but so practical. It's a fingerprint scanner, RFID reader, camera, doorbell, all rolled into one. You've got 6 different ways to unlock it. It combines fingerprint recognition, a built-in 1080p camera with a huge display, and night vision. And you can see who's out there without even grabbing your phone. You've got 6 different ways to unlock. Fingerprint is obviously my favorite.
Unlocked.
So responsive. You've also got the pin.
Unlocked.
Or use the app. You can do Alexa or Google voice commands from bed. You've also got the RFID, which is such a cool idea. You just keep it on your keys, place it on the lock, and there you go.
Unlocked.
Then of course you also have just a good old-fashioned key to get in the house.
Unlocked.
You never know. You've got a doorbell, the charging port on bottom, which is powered by a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. We're not going to be recharging it often. You can lock it with the touch of a button or with the switch. It's got a nice matte black look, and the outside is IP54 rated, so you're going to be all set. Rain or dust, no issue. Installation took about 15 minutes. My camera isn't making it hard to see, but you have numbers that pop up when you activate it. It's just so sleek and minimal overall. It's not advertising that it has a fingerprint scanner or the code, and even the key is hidden.
Locked.
So any burglar is just going to be confused. You've got real-time previews, notifications, and then of course, you can talk to people out there or turn on alarms. You can grab pictures from what you see and then add like 100 different passcodes and fingerprints for anyone you need. You can do guest passes that expire or let your mom program her fingerprint like I did. You can program all your fingers just in case you lose some. But this is great, highly recommend.